Good morning, dear students. We were doing money market and we were discussing about the instruments of money market. As you all know that there are only 5 instruments of money market, and we have already discussed about treasury bill and commercial paper. Today we are going to discuss about call money, certificate of deposit and commercial bill. First of all, we will discuss about call money. First thing I want to tell you, call money is a transaction between two banks. So it is interbank transaction. Means one bank is asking call money from another bank. Its duration is from 1 to 15 days. Now, why call money is required? As per RBI guidelines, it is compulsory for all the commercial banks to maintain CRR ratio. Now, what is CRR ratio? Cash reserve ratio. So sometimes a bank don't have sufficient cash reserve ratio. For this, they ask for call money from the another bank. Now, the interest paid on call money is known as call rate, which is highly volatile, that varies from day to day and sometimes even from hour to hour. So a call rate means the interest which we have to pay on the call money. This interest is calculated hourly, and secondly, call money can be asked anytime back. Means, for example, bank A has given call money to bank B. Bank A has supported bank B because there was no sufficient CRR ratio. Now, anytime bank A can call the money back because maybe bank A now needs to maintain CRR ratio. So that's why its charges are also charged hourly, and interest rate also depends upon, this is interest rate, call rate is the interest rate which we are paying. So it is also maybe sometimes high, maybe sometimes less. Next we have certificate of deposit. Certificate of deposit is like fixed deposit, but it is different because interest paid on certificate of deposit is higher than that. Now, who issued certificate of deposit? This is issued by commercial banks. To whom it is issued? It is issued to the different financial institutes and to the corporates, higher profit making organizations. Why it is issued? Sometimes what happens is, in the market credit requirement is very high. Means banks thinks that loan demand is high and deposits are less, so they ask for a certificate of deposit from these corporates or the bigger companies, and these companies, they give their excess money to the banks and good rate of interest is paid by the bank. Its duration is also less than 1 year. And certificate of deposit, why it is known as certificate of deposit? Because when someone gives money to the bank, bank gives a certificate. This certificate is a proof that the money is with the bank and that will be returned after some time. So they can be issued to individuals and corporations during period of high liquidity, tight liquidity, when the deposit growth of bank is slow but the demand for credit is high. Means deposits are less in the bank and demand of the credit is very high. People, they ask for the loan. So what banks do is, bank collect the money in this way and then they give loan to the people. So they help in raising a large amount of money for short periods. Then last we have commercial bills. Commercial bills are also known as trade bills, and commercial bills are used in the case of credit sales. As you know that if sales are done on credit, the payment will be due after 2 or 3 months. Okay, so in that case, commercial bills can be issued. It is a promissory note that the amount will be paid after so and so date. And if, for example, if the person, the seller needs money now, they can get commercial bill discounted from the bank at the less rate. Okay, so it is a bill of exchange used by business firm to finance their working capital requirements. It is a short term negotiable self liquidating instrument which is used to finance the credit sales of the firm. When goods are sold on credit, the buyer becomes liable to make the payment on a specific date in future. The seller could wait till the specific date or make use of bill of exchange. The seller of the goods draw the bill and the buyer accept it. On being accepted, the bill becomes a marketable instrument and is called a trade bill. It is the trade bill is if the trade bill is accepted by commercial bank, then it is known as commercial bill. So they can be discounted with banks even before the due date if seller needs funds before maturity. The difference between amount of bill and amount paid by the bank becomes a before maturity is the discount charged by the bank. So that will be the income of the bank which is charged. I hope these 5 instruments are clear. They are very important. Please learn them, and if you have any query you can ask me in the live lecture. Thank you. Have a nice day.